In this video, I'll show you how to install TikTok on your Hisense Smart TV so you can enjoy all your favorite videos on the big screen. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the App Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the App Store or Vita Store, depending on your Hisense model. Step 3. Search for TikTok. Use the search bar to type TikTok. If TikTok is available for your TV, it will appear in the search results. Step 4. Install TikTok. Select the TikTok app. Click Install or Download. Wait for the installation to finish. Step 5. Open TikTok and sign in. Launch the TikTok app from your apps list. Sign in with your TikTok account or create a new one to start watching videos. Note: if TikTok isn't available on your Hisense TV's App Store, you can use screen mirroring from your phone or cast TikTok videos via Chromecast or AirPlay. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.